Stop. You're making me nervous.
How? All right, come on.
Oh my god.
All right. There's literally. I want to just add something in. I might. Hold on, she's about to pick him up. Guys, again, nobody can act surprised. They hang out a lot off stream. I know that right before the stream, they went out to get ice cream and like fucking breakfast or some shit or like lunch. I'm letting you guys know right now, they have a good friendship, relationship, whatever they got going on. We all gotta fucking appreciate and just support them. No, you guys think I'm lying. I'm not even joking, bro. I'm telling you right now, she's over the house a lot.
Stop! Move!
The fuck?
The fuck is wrong with you, man?
That's face temp right there, by the way, in that pillow.
Why are you so strong, bro?
You gonna pick me up now? Who's that?
Oh, him right here?
Face temper.
I don't know.
You don't...
Why are you so strong?
No fucking way you don't know who face temper is, bro.
It don't.
There's no fucking way.
I'm not. What? Come on, like, I'm just gonna pick you up. That's it. Strong man, right, Chad? Come on.
He's not playing, I don't think. No, he's not.
Stand up, like what? Bro, how do I pick somebody up, bro? How do you, bro?
Does he pick her up?
I'm waiting. Hurry up.
Damn.
All right.
Okay, good shit.
I'm sorry.
Slap my ass.
No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I did not mean to do that.
Move.
What did I just... I'm sorry.
Slap my ass.
No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I did not mean to do that.
Wow.
Move.
What did I just do?
I don't know. Fuck it though.
No, bro. No, what did I just do?
Bro.
Wow. It's time to go, y'all. It's time to go.
Hey, but you gotta go. You gotta go either.
I'm gonna leave. Don't worry, I was already planning on it.
Alright. Sorry.
Look on the right side. Look on the right side.
All right, Chad. I lay y'all boys, bro. Big speed. Everybody lay y'all boy. Big speed till I die, man.
Bye, y'all. Bye, Steve.
That's why I came in and he was...
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry.
Don't say he's hard. No, guys, don't say that.
So sorry, man. I lay y'all boys.
How do you know he's hard?
I'm a fallen soldier, bro.
Don't say that, bro.
Bye. Look on the right on it.
Alright. You gotta go either.
I'm gonna leave. Don't worry, I was already planning on it.
Alright. Sorry.
Look on the right side. Look on the right.
Bro. There's no fucking way, bro.
Side.
All right, Chad. I lay y'all boys, bro. Big speed. Everybody
Jesus
lay y'all boy.
Christ.
Big speed till I die, man.
Bye, y'all. Bye, Steve.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. So sorry, man. I love y'all boys, man. I'm a fallen soldier, bro. Why the fuck am I getting a fucking boner over a fucking... Why do I have a boner, y'all? Why do I have a boner? Why am I hard, man? Why? This is bad. This is so bad, man. This is terrible. Who is that?
Hey,
Bro,
buddy.
no, bro. I know. On God, I'm not in the mood, bro.
What happened?
I did some stupid shit, bro. On God, I'm tripping, bro. I keep tripping.
I literally just woke up. I just woke up when this happened. I'm sick, Chad. I've been sick all day. I heard him scream.
Tripping, dog. Every time Ava come over, I'm tripping, bro.
What'd you do?
I'm tripping, man. I don't even want to talk about it. On God, I'm tripping, bro. Every time Ava come over here, I trip out, bro. It's like my mind starts.
You'll be alright. Listen, no matter what it is, I'm gonna get through it with you. You're gonna get through it together. You're my brother. I got you, right? Real shit. Why are you pantsing? What's going on?
Nothing, bro. I'm tripping, bro. I'm just tripping, bro. I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping, bro. I'm about to just get up out of here, bro.
Wait, don't end yet.